Hi guys, welcome back to this concept-based YouTube channel. Today, I will discuss values of trigonometric ratios of some standard angles. In order to do this, the first thing that we need is sine. If you know the values of sine, then easily there is 5 trigonometric ratios. Values can be found out, right? The way how to do all these things, I'll show you now. The first thing that we have is, it is sine theta. Sine 0 degree is 0, sine 30 is 1 by 2 or half, sine 45 is 1 by root 2, sine 60 is root 3 by 2, and sine 90 degree is 1. In case of cos, whatever the values of 90 degree, that will be in the first, and 60 will be this one, and cos 45 will be this one, right? And cos 60 will be sine 30 degree, and cos 90 degree will be sine 0 degree. Alright, if you know this sign, easily you can find out this. And if you have these two, sine and cos, then easily you can find out tan. Alright, then 0 degree will be sine 0 degree by cos 0 degree. What is the values of sine 0? It is 0, right? And what is the values of cos 0 degree? It is 1. 0 by 1 means it will be 0. Alright, then let us move to this tan 30 degree. Tan 30 degree will be sine 30 degree divided by cos 30 degree. Then what is the values of sine 30 degree? It is 1 by 2 or half. And cos 30, it is root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2. And whenever you make some cancellation, then after that you will get this 1 by root 3. Alright. Now let us move to this tan 45. As we have here, it is tan 45. Tan 45 is equal to sine 45 by cos 45. And let us put the values of sine 45 as well as 45 in this. And after you cut all these things, then the remaining numbers which is left with us, it is 1, right? Thus the values of tan 45 will be 1. Then after that, let us move to this tan 60 degree. Tan 60 degree will be sine 60 degree by cos 60 degree. What is the values of tan 60 or sine 60 degree? It is root 3 by 2. Cos 60 will be 1 by 2, right? And after cancelling all these things, then what is left with us? It is root 3. Thus the values of tan 60 that we got it from this, it is root 3. Alright. Then let us move to the last in this tan, which is tan 90 degree. In case of this tan 90 degree, it will be sine 90 degree by cos 90 degree. Sine 90 degree, how much we got? It is 1. And in case of cos 90 degree, it is 0. 1 by 0 means 0 will divide, 1 will be divided by 0, which is, we know it as, or we denote it as undefined. Alright, so let us write undefined here. Undefined. Alright, now we have this. Then the thing is that if you know tan, then easily you can find out cot. Whatever the values of tan 90 degree, it will be the values of cot 0 degree. And after that, cot sine tan 60 degree will be the values of cot 30 degree. What is the values of tan 60 degree? It is root 3. Root 3 will be the values of cot 30 degree. And then cot 45 as well as tan 45 will remain the same. And cot 30 degree or cot 60 degree, it should be tan 30 degree. Means cot 60 values will be equal with sine tan 30 degree. Alright, what is the values of tan 30 degree that we have in this? It is 1 by root 3. Now let us put this, and after that we have cot 90 degree. In case of cot 90 degree, what is the first degree or what is the first value that we have in tan? It is tan 0 degree. Tan 0 degree is 0, right? So this will be the values in case of cot 90 degree. Thus we got all the cots values in this, right? Now let us move to the next, which is sec theta. let me show you this sec theta. How can we express this? We can express it as reciprocal of cos. Alright. Now, in case of this sec, in order to find this, the thing that we require is, it is cos values. Now, in order to find cos 0, it will be 1 by cos 0, right? And what is the values of cos 0 that we have? Cos 0 is, it is 1, right? Means 1 by 1. Now 1 by 1. 1 by 1 will be 1. Alright? That means sec 0 degree is 1. Let me write here. And after that, we have sec 30. In order to find sec 30 degree, it will be 1 by cos 30 degree. What is the values of cos 30 degree? As we can see from this, it is root 3 by 2. Am I right? Then whenever you bring this in normal, it will be 2 by root 3. Means sec 30 is 2 by root 3. And let us move to this sec 45 degree. Sec 45 will be equal to 1 by cos 45 degree. Alright. Now what is the values of cos 45 degree? It is 1 by root 2. Whenever you move or you bring this in up sign, then it will be root 2. Alright. Now the values of sec 45 degree that we have is root 2. Then let us move to sec 60 degree. Sec 60 degree will be 1 by cos 60 degree. What is the values of cos 60 degree? It is 1 by 2. And then whenever you bring this in up sign, then it will be root 2. Sorry, it will be 2, right? And after that, sec 90 degree. In order to find sec 90 degree, it will be like this, 1 by cos 90 degree. What is the value of cos 90 degree? It is 0, alright? Then 0, it will be like 1 will be divided by 0, which we call it as undefined, alright? Thus, it is the last portion that we have in this, it will be undefined. And just opposite to this, cosec values will be given. Alright, here sec 90 degree is undefined. That means cosec 0 degree will be undefined. Then cosec 30 degree will be sec 60 degree, which is 2. And here it will be root 2. And here, what is that? Sec 30 degree will be cosec 60 degree, which is 2 by root 3. And cosec 90 degree will be the values of this sec 0, which is 1. Alright. Likewise, we can form all these things by using the values of sine theta. Right? This is the way of getting all these values. I hope it will be helpful for you. Those who have any problem in understanding all this, you can ask me in comment section. So that's all for today. I wish you all the best and hopefully we'll see in the next videos. And if this video is really helpful to all of you, so as to clear your doubt, please do like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Alright, thank you.